Can I see your face? Başaracağız guys.
Hocan arkadaşım.
Kaçmıyorsun.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Good morning. Today is Galentine's Day and it's snowing outside, so that's double fun for me. We're going to make some nice breakfast. By the way, I got I could left some memories for me on my face. Mommy prepared this. Yeah, so today is a nice day. It's a nice morning. After we finish our Galentine breakfast, we are going to blow the snow. This is so exciting. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Sunday and happy Galentines. If you have a Valentine, happy Valentine for you guys. Do you want to show them your outfit? This is AKKAD. Let's sit beside each other. Breakfast is served.
Wow,
It's snow time. I could come. I could. Let me put on my shoes. Wow. Are you happy? Wow. Are you happy? Come. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to make a snow? I love you. What happened to your face? Can I see your face?
He's tasting it.
Yes, and I'm gonna go. Yummy.
Is it yummy?
So yummy.
Yeah. Come. Let's see if it's raining snowman. Come. This is not raining, but it's okay. Come. Let's put some on this first.
Yes, yes. Look. Give him the spoon. Yummy. Good morning. Look. This is what we have. So I used my tripod to put the model on it. So enjoy the time lapse.
Ryan Little.
I'm going through a tiny problem. So because this is my first, oh my god, my ears are dying. Because it's my first teeth preparation. And it's online. It's kind of difficult to deal with stuff. So I've been trying to indirectly prepare the lingual side of this tooth, but that's really tough. I'm having to, like, imagine this is my patient lying down over here, all the way here, and I'm just laying my head on his lap, trying to prepare the lingual side. It's okay. We're gonna learn this. We're gonna learn this. Başaracağız guys. The incisal part of it is doing fine, I believe. I may need to cut a little bit from the incisal part. The buccal part, pardon, the buccal part is doing fine, but the incisal part might need to be cut a little bit more. Yeah, I'm just struggling with the lingual side. Ta-ta! I have a neck problem right now, neck pain. I have a neck pain. I'm tired. I'm exhausted, but it's okay. It's okay, you know? It's okay. So we're currently doing our practical, cardiology practical homework. Presentation. And we're doing it on the meet, and it's fun. It's a fun activity.
Karışıyor yoğurdu olunca. Ben de direkt düzen.
Tamam.
Berkay'ın bu ikinci yolladığı nerede yazıyordu? Bu bir yerde yazıyordu Berkay.
Şeyde hocan
Evet.
arkadaşım dedi ya slide.
Evet doğru. Hiç mi yazdım ya? Bir bakayım.
Gördüm.
Formülleri. Bir dakika.
Teamwork.
Günde 7 kez diş fırçalaması.
Today is kickbox day, and I just started the morning, the vlog in the middle of the day. I think I might take you guys with me.
Aykut, özledin mi abi? Abi özledin mi? Kafa saldı bak. Bir sağa, evet. Bir gün gerçekten bir şey olacak. İnanmayacaksın bana.
Yok, anladım. Önüne geç. Kaçmıyorsun.
Evet, tamam. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Acımasızlık.
10. Evet, devam. 1, 2.
Ay, performans nasıldı?
Bugünkü performans Maya'nın yüzünden bir hareketi 100 kere yapmakla geçti. Bir yapamadı adam akıllı.
Yalan.
Sonra şu Dilara hanımefendi var ya, Dilara.
Ha.
Dilara işte. O da benim bazı bölgelerime vurmakta bulundu. Beni mahvetti. Bir şey yok.
Ben doktor.
Yani bugünlük böyle geçti. Hayırlısı diyorum. Yani haftaya bakacağız tekrar.
Sağ ol. Teşekkürler.
Görüşmek üzere. Kendinize
Görüşürüz. Now I'm going to cut my hair because I'm done with this look. I can't anymore with this look. Good morning. I am not living for this look. Like, it's short here and then suddenly long from here, so yeah, I'm going to fix that. Our setup is ready. I prepared a mirror here, and I got a tiny mirror just in case I needed to have two angles ready in front of me. And I'm going to start cutting. Are you ready? I need to stop shivering. I'm shivering at the moment. Hey. I did that. Let's do the other side. I think I messed up here, but it's okay. We did it, you guys. We did it. I think this is the end of this week's vlog. I'm going to start editing it and see you next week. Bye.